Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix out of storage error without deleting files. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are encountering an out of storage error but don't want to delete your files, what you can do is move your files to external storage. You can transfer all your files to your PC, and then from there you can use your PC as backup, or you can transfer them to a specific SD card or external drives like USB drives. You can also use cloud storage to upload cloud services, like simply heading over and then simply transferring all your files to the files folder and compressing them, and once that's done, upload them to the cloud storage. Then you can access your file directly from the cloud when needed. Next thing that you can do is head over to your settings and then simply scroll down, tap on general, and then tap on iPhone storage. And here what you need to do is simply offload apps that are using much more access, like this NBA mobile, and then once you tap on it, here you find the offload option. Simply tap on that, and once that's done, it will clear any of the bugs and glitches or cache that is remained in the file, and that will clear up some space. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.